All right, so RV video 3. If you haven't seen the other ones, go check them out. But I was reading up and it says you shouldn't do this, but we're gonna do it anyway. What's that include? Probably need a gasket on that. But why are these guys in their bathing suits? Because we're gonna power wash the RV. So once again, if you're learning from this channel, I'm sorry, I'm not a pro at this, but you should not probably power wash because it could rip up some of this. But I'm okay with doing that today because a lot of this, excuse me, I'm filming a video right now. Yes, right here, thank you. But we don't mind some of this coming off because we already know this is stuff we have to do. I just want to see how it looks once it's sprayed off, and then you guys get to go inside to make sure no water is leaking. Okay. Colin, come here. We're gonna make a Cohen imprint on the RV.
I'm here.
We're gonna clean all around you. Makes a difference. Look, there's where your arms were. Right here. You're the cameraman. You can't run away.
Hello, fans.
Yeah.
Better say hi to fans. Hey, old fans, I love you. Thank you. Hey, fans, we're cleaning the RV out. We get up here. It's not recording. Hey, Dad. No, I'm just checking, just in case. Because we need a phone. There, he's down there. Dad, a lot of it's leaking. And this little slot right here.
This could get real gross.
What is?
Whoa, guys.
What?
make it even so we can still spray it down. Nope, nothing to. Oh.
What? What?
Oh. Ow. Something went through my crock. Oh, yeah, put a nice little hole in my foot. Oh. Now, I'm pretty surprised. I was for sure when we unrolled this thing, it was going to be like disintegrated. But this, it's still holding up pretty good. I'm going to spray the top down and then we're going to prop it all the way up. See what it looks like. My, oh my. Well, still got to get that tape off. But look at how much better it looks just getting sprayed down. Now, I mean, this is why they say don't do it. There's a lot of this stuff. I can't find any right now, but it was definitely flapping. But this lets us know what all we got to get off of here. But yes, I was just impressed with how clean. It was just a layer of gunk. And then the coolest part of all, I was for sure we were going to take this canopy and just kind of chunk it. Thought it was going to be destroyed. Oh, I almost got destroyed. But it's not too bad. Everything works. Hey, but maybe next video we will see what all got some water damage in here. I don't know. That'll be for the next video. Tell everybody bye, cameraman.
Bye.
Good job on the camera. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
We'll see you in the next video.
And see you in the next video.
Well, he's talking to my hand.
No, I'm just laughing at.
So yeah, I don't know what she's gonna think about this. Yeah, got this for my wife. It might come in handy for the RV. I don't know. We'll have to see.